Hey, it's Chris here today from Huckabones Equipment. In today's video, as you see behind me, we have the KX040. It's going to be a demonstration of how to take that bucket on and off using the wedge system quick attach. So some of the quick attaches changes throughout, but this is again the wedge system from Kubota, so from H&H. So we're going to jump right to having our tech there with about a decade of experience here is Jordan. He's going to show us how to take that bucket on and off.
Okay, first you get up in the machine and start it. You'll put your bucket flat on the ground. And you can shut your machine off. And there's one bolt, it's a 24mm socket. It comes out. And then you just pry the wedge loose. Start your machine again. And remove the quick attach. To reinstall, start your machine. And then you go down into there and back down. You can curl your bucket in all the way just to make sure it's seated.
Again, it's nice to lift it up a little bit so that you get nice, easier
height on the ground. Put your wedge and your bolts back in. And you tighten it back up, and then it's on.
Okay, so that kind of brings us to the end of today's video. Again, it's nice, quick and short. It's not very complicated, but again, that is an H&H wedge system quick attach. So there is multiple ones available in Canada, there's multiple ones available in the States, but that gives you kind of a basic idea of what of how it works to take the quick attach wedge system on and off. So if you enjoyed today's video, please like and subscribe. If you have any comments, please down below. Thank you.